Uganda happens to be among the biggest producers of vanilla, but Uganda is rated as number 2 with a production of about 9%. And together with this, you know that the global demand of vanilla continues to grow. The declaration of vanilla harvest date was introduced in 2019 as one of the proven best practices in curbing the vanilla challenges, or the challenges that are facing the vanilla industry. The vanilla harvest period for season A of 2024 will start from the 24th of June 2024 and will run up to the 23rd of September 2024. Growers should not just pluck all the beans. They should observe and see only the mature beans, and those are the ones that they should harvest. My ministry will take strong and punitive action against anyone found harvesting or in possession of vanilla beans before the stipulated date.